Alright, I just got my shelf I've been working on put up. It's not technically done. The wood is done and the shelf itself is done, but it's got lights that I haven't put on it yet. But I think it turned out nice. I don't think Melissa likes it. She wanted a different finish. But I wanted something that I hadn't done before. You know, just staining is boring. So this is a burn and brush technique. You burn the wood and then you use a brush wheel and brush off the burnt stuff. And instead of staining it, I just decided to clear coat it, and I think it turned out pretty nice. I was kind of going for a rustic look. That's why I went with these pipes instead of like some L brackets. I think it turned out pretty well. So as you can see, it's no, I did not stain or finish the inside. That's because I'm thinking I'm going to frost the glass, so you won't actually be able to see it in there anyway. The idea here is that's hollowed out because I'm going to put LED strips inside there that will shine light up to light up these models that I'm doing. Put the piece of tape there so I can lift the glass up easily, because it's a pretty tight fit. It's kind of hard to, and I can't even get my fingernail in there to get it out. There's a little notch right here that you can kind of get something in there. I just don't want to, if you put a screwdriver in there, you're probably going to crack the glass. So I put just a piece of tape to be able to pull that up. Now, yes, it is mounted kind of high. You really can't see the models from down here. If you look, it's over my computer desk, which is filthy right now. I've got a bunch of tools and stuff from hanging this. But the reason I put it so high is because I'm going to make another shelf that will be just a little bit longer than this one, and it's going to be mounted down here. So I'll have two shelves. So the small ones you can't see up there, those will be moved down here. I even considered like hanging them with some fishing line right here, but I don't know about that. But yeah, so this shelf is really going to be used for the larger ones like that dragon. There's a couple really large ones that I'm thinking about doing that would also go up there that would be like twice the size of that dragon. The smaller models will come down here. I've also got all my car models that I've got as well. I could put a few of those up on the top shelf. What I'm thinking about doing, haven't decided yet, is I could either do the second shelf with these same brackets and just do the same thing, just a little longer below it, or what I might do is take this off and put a T here on both sides and have 2 bars drop down and then have it elbow out and to where it's connected, to where basically it's one piece. No, I would not have these as being the only bracket. So basically it would drop down to about here, and then you'd have another place where it's screwed in to right there, and then a piece that comes out and holds up. The only thing, so basically I'm saying I'll have a bar drop down that would connect the two, just to make it look like one piece. And honestly, I kind of think that would be, I think that'd look pretty nice. Another thing I could do is put another one a little bit smaller than this above it up here to where you have 3, but I don't know how well that would look. You'd get a real pyramid look to that, but I think 2 of them is going to look pretty good. So y'all tell me what you think. It's a little darker on the camera than it is in person, but it's pretty close. So it's just a lacquer that I put over it. And the cool thing that I like is, like, this is not just stained. You can actually feel that's textured. Like these grooves here, it's like probably 1/8 of an inch deep. Like you can feel these lips. I really like that. You can see the grain right there on the wood. Alright, tell me what you think.